Okay, tell me about your head-end products. What is it you offer?
We have a range of head-end products. First one is the Mosaic that you can see here. So the idea basically is to have different live inputs, to resize them and to re-encode a Mosaic video channel and to have an output that can present the different channels to the user. The second product that we have is a streamer that streams ITV applications, so HbbTV or MHP. And the last one is an EPG streaming equipment.
Okay, connected devices, HbbTV, a lot of development there. What can you offer there?
Well, if we take the example of the last product that I talked about, EPG, we have offered the possibility to, in addition to the standard EIT format, to have some additional enriched media, some information added to the events that can be, for example, a synopsis of a movie or some pictures or that sort of information that is enriching the events that you're looking at.
And what about broadband? How does that help your company?
Well, the idea for a network for having broadband is that the broadcast limits the content of data that you can send because the bandwidth is limited. You cannot send so much information, and putting broadband on top of broadcast allows you to display to the user different information, and you don't have in broadband you don't have the limitation of broadcast of the bandwidth. So it's much easier to add some extra information.
How difficult is it making all this stuff smooth and user rich?
Well, for the user, it's much more valuable to have some information when you're watching an event. It's interesting to see, for example, that this movie has been liked by your friends, or that you can send an email telling people that are connected to you that you should watch this movie because I think it's interesting. So it's a sort of putting social connection between people that are watching TV.
And in terms of the social networks, is that something you're building in more and more and more into the products?
Yeah, that's the idea. The idea is using this broadband possibility because it offers, you can enrich the information and also offers a possibility to have a feedback. So the user can interact directly with its TV and give his opinion on what he's watching and give some extra information. So that's the idea, so that the user is part of what he's watching. He's not only passive, he's also active of what's going on.
And how long does it take to get this right, to get it really good, to make it flow properly, to get everything integrated? How difficult is it?
Well, it's a bit complicated because it needs to be, it's a solution that needs to be adapted on different, regarding the different operators and different possibilities. But it offers so much possibilities so that it can enrich the information and the events.